Sometimes, the hardest part of life is not the struggle itself, but the waiting. Waiting tests our patience. It tests our faith, and sometimes it tests our courage. This is a story about a man who believed that waiting was the safest choice until he learned that waiting too long can quietly steal your future. There once lived a man near a quiet, flowing river. Every morning he would sit beside the water and watch it move past him. He believed that one day the river would become calm, still, easy to cross. So he waited. Days passed, then weeks, then months. The river never stopped flowing, and the man never moved. From where he sat, he watched others attempt the crossing. Some struggled, some slipped, some were afraid. But one by one, they reached the other side. The man told himself he was being wise. He said, "I will move when the moment is perfect." But deep inside, his waiting was not wisdom. It was fear. Fear of discomfort, fear of failure, fear of starting before he felt ready. And slowly, his safe place became a prison. One evening, an older traveler stopped beside him. After listening quietly, the traveler spoke softly. "The river will never stop flowing," he said. "You don't wait for the water to change. You learn how to cross it." Those words stayed with the man long after the traveler left. For the first time, he understood something painful. He had been waiting for life to become easier instead of becoming stronger. The next morning, the man stood up. He stepped into the river. The water was cold. The current was strong. But step by step, he moved forward. And before he realized it, he had crossed. The wisdom. Sometimes hope is not about waiting longer. Sometimes hope is about moving forward even when you are afraid. The river doesn't need to change. You do.